To change Bluetooth audio channel mode in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find developer options, and then tap developer options. Scroll down developer options screen, find Bluetooth audio channel mode, Bluetooth audio channel mode. And then tap Bluetooth audio channel mode. Select option you want, trigger Bluetooth audio codec selection channel mode. Use system selection is default or mono or stereo. Streaming mono or stereo, or use system selection is default. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.